In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a GCash QR code. GCash is a widely used mobile wallet in the Philippines, providing a convenient way to handle transactions. Let's dive into the steps for generating your very own QR code. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. You should see the familiar blue icon with the GCash logo. Tapping on this will launch the app, bringing you to the home screen. It's always a good idea to ensure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience and security. Next up, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your registered mobile number and your secure PIN. Keep in mind, securing your account with a strong PIN is crucial. It helps protect your funds and personal information. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the app's home screen. Now take a look at the home screen and find the QR icon. It's usually located near the center or bottom of the screen, making it easy to spot. Tap on this icon to proceed to the QR code section. This feature simplifies receiving payments without sharing your mobile number directly. From there, select the option labeled Generate QR. This is an important step because it creates a unique code tied to your account, making transactions seamless. QR codes are a quick and efficient way to receive money, especially in our fast-paced digital world. After you select Generate QR, tap on Receive Money via QR code. This action prompts the app to create a personal QR code for you. This step is crucial as it ensures your code is specifically designed for receiving payments. You'll soon see how easy it is to use this feature in everyday transactions. Once you complete the previous step, your personal QR code will appear on your screen. This is your unique identifier for receiving payments through the GCash app. You can present this code to others, allowing them to scan it to send you money. It's a straightforward and secure method of transaction. If you're looking to share or save the QR code, tap on the Save or Share button. This allows you to either save the QR code to your device's gallery or share it directly through messaging apps or email. By saving or sharing your QR code, you make it readily available whenever you need it. This little step can save you a lot of time in the future. And there you have it. These steps guide you through generating and using your GCash QR code efficiently. Remember, using a QR code for transactions not only simplifies the process but also enhances security by keeping your phone number private. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep practicing these steps and you'll be a GCash pro in no time.